Hey guys, today in this video let's learn how to create an AI image using Microsoft Cocreator for Microsoft Paint for free. So if you guys would like to go ahead and do this, please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so the first step that we need to do in order for us to accomplish this is to go ahead and launch the Microsoft Paint. So to do so, just go ahead and do a quick search of Paint over on your MS search bars, and that's going to allow you to launch the software. Now what we need to do from here, as you would know, on the newest software and on the newest update of Windows, you will have the Cocreator option right here. All we need to do to use this is just tap on this, and it's going to take you to the step-by-step introduction. As you see, you can go ahead and try Cocreator for free, turn your ideas into digital art quickly with Cocreator and Paint. You can also go ahead and describe your ideas and then choose your favorite specific style, and then tap on Create. Basically, once that is done, you need to go ahead and, of course, do a quick sign in of your Microsoft account first. This is going to be required, so we do need to go ahead and do this. Alright you guys, so once you're already done with signing in over on your Microsoft account on the Microsoft Paint application, in order for us to generate our AI images over on Cocreator, all we need to do is to describe what we like to create. So we do have a few example prompts already right here, and in this case I think I'm going to create my own, and let's go ahead and create a hyper-realistic head model of, let's say, Johnny Depp. And then we can now go ahead and basically use this prompt. Of course, you could also choose a style. In this case, I think I'm going to choose photorealistic and then tap on create. And then we now have our explore variants. But basically, we do need to wait for this to load first. And there will be a content warning if, well, you exceed their community guidelines. So it looks like we are some words that could be blocked as per Microsoft guidelines. So let's go ahead and just modify this one more time. Okay, so let's tap on create. And once it is done with its processing, as you see, we now have our models that we just created. We can now choose and go through these prompts and see which one we prefer to use, and I think the last one is going to be the best for my preference, and I'm just going to go ahead and just use this. And now we can now go ahead and basically place this anywhere we'd like. And if you do have these photos still on your board or on your canvas, just go ahead and delete them by tapping on and right clicking. We could also just go ahead and, let's say, tap on using the selection tool. So we could always go ahead and do that, or also just go ahead and just tap on the undo button to remove those, and tap on this button to enter this guy. Now if you see, you could also tap on this more button to save the image directly on your PCs, and now you could also move these images depending on where you'd like to move them and place them, and you could also resize them with this button right here. Basically, that's all for this video. That is how you guys could create your AI images on Microsoft Paint's Cocreator. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.